Hello guys, welcome to our new video and today's celebrity Bill Gates. Bill Gates is an American business magnate, software developer, investor, author and philanthropist who has established himself as one of the best-known entrepreneurs of the microcomputer revolution of the 1970s and 1980s. He co-founded Microsoft with his childhood friend Paul Allen in Albuquerque, New Mexico in 1975. And it became the world's longest personal computer software company. During the course of his career at Microsoft, Gates held the position of Chairman, Chief Executive Officer (CEO), President and Chief Software Architect, while also being the largest individual shareholder until May 2014. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell button for more update. Biography. Real name William Henry Gates III. Nickname Trey. Profession business magnate, investor, author, philanthropist, humanitarian, co-founder of the Microsoft Corporation. Years active 1972 to present. Ethnicity white. Zodiac sign Scorpio. Date of birth October 28, 1955. Age 68 years as of 2024. Place of birth Seattle, Washington, US. Residence Medina, Washington, US. Nationality American. Religion Christianity. Education. School Lakeside School. College Harvard College. Education qualification graduate. Career. In the year 1975, Bill Gates along with Paul Allen founded the Microsoft company in Albuquerque, New Mexico, USA. In the early days, its name was initially named Microsoft, which was renamed Microsoft in the year 1976. In 1980, a deal was offered to Microsoft company by International Business Machines (IBM). IBM asked Microsoft to develop a basic interpreter for their upcoming personal computer. Gradually, soon the Microsoft operating system started becoming famous all over the world. After which Bill Gates' company introduced the operating system named Windows on November 20, 1985 to the world. It acted as a shell for the Microsoft DOS operating system. In 1989, Microsoft introduced Microsoft Office. This Microsoft Office was like a package in which many applications like Microsoft Word and Excel could run simultaneously in a single system. Bill Gates resigned as chairman in February 2014 and now serves as a technology advisor to Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella. Bill and Melinda Gates co-chair the charitable Gates Foundation, which focuses on global health, education, and poverty alleviation. Family. Father William H. Gates Sr. Mother Mary Maxwell Gates. Siblings Christy, Libby. Wife or spouse. Spouse Melinda French Gates, married 1994 to 2021. Children Phoebe Adele Gates, Jennifer Gates, Rory John Gates. Physical statistics and more. Height 5 feet 9.5 inches or 1.76.5 centimeter. Weight 74 kg or 163 lbs. Hair color salt and pepper. Eye color blue with a hint of green. Distinctive feature his glasses. Net worth. His net worth is around $129.7 billion. Interesting facts. In his early days, he was a workaholic and did not believe in the concept of taking a break or going on vacation. Bill also has somewhat of a wild boy streak. Gates Hess was arrested in Mexico where he was caught driving without a license and ran a red light. He had initially thought of pursuing a career in law and mathematics as his father was a lawyer. He also had a keen interest in physics. Gates and his then wife Melinda received the Padma Bhushan, India's third highest civilian award, for their social work in the country in 2015. In 2021, he authored a new book titled How to Avoid a Climate Disaster: The Solutions We Have and the Breakthroughs We Need. In July 2022, Bill had shared his 48-year-old resume on LinkedIn, which was from 1974. He had written that resume in his first year at Harvard University. In January 2023, Bill Gates owned Microsoft, laid off 10,000 employees. Satya Nadella, then CEO of Microsoft, had announced about the job cuts. He is colorblind. Favorite things. Favorite book: The Catcher in the Rye by J.D. Salinger. Favorite Microsoft project: Windows, Office. Favorite fast food outlet: In and Out Burger Master. Favorite spread: butter, peanut butter, cheese spread. Favorite baseball team: Seahawks. Favorite chief: Nathan Mayoral. Favorite cuisines: Thai, Indian. Favorite snack: cheeseburger. House. Bill Gates lives in a luxurious house which is located in Medina, Washington, US. Social media profile: Facebook 42 million followers, X handle 65.3 million followers, Instagram 11.2 million followers,